welcome back to my channel. I've had my morning coffee. So excited to introduce this vlog because it is the start of the autumn vlogs. If you've been watching my channel for a few years now, you know every time it's like September and October, I love to make these cozy vlogs that are just very homey, and I kind of like decorate my room. I talk about fashion a lot. If you are new here, my name is Zara and I make lifestyle and fashion content. I am also a supply primary school teacher. Schools will be opening up in a week and I'll be going back hopefully very soon to do more supply teaching. But yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't been in a classroom in so long, so I'm excited to go back and just teach kids again. Yeah, so today I'm just introducing the vlog. I'm not really vlogging today. But it is a Sunday and I am gonna go out and get some content for a brand I'm working with, and you're never gonna guess who it is, guys. I was so shocked when my manager came to me with this collab, but I'm working with Coach, not on YouTube, on Instagram, so definitely follow me on Instagram. They released a new fragrance called Wild Rose, so I've just been working with them on that. I'm gonna shoot content with my sister for that today, and then I'm just gonna plan what I'm doing for the rest of the week. I have more content that I need to film, brands that I'm working with, and I'm just so grateful that I'm working with so many fun brands. I'll kind of tell you as the video goes along like who else I'm working with. I think this week I'm going to be doing some autumn shopping as well. I'll definitely have a haul in this video. I just wanted to introduce this vlog, so make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet. Hi guys, so today is Monday and it's already quite later in the day. I just got ready and filmed a collab that I was working on over on Instagram, and that's all done now, so I'm going to send that content off. And then I'm also about to go out to Primark because I'm actually working with Primark, which is so exciting. I'm working with them over on TikTok, so definitely go follow me over on TikTok. Yeah, I've never worked with Primark before. I'm gonna go into the store now and shop their new collection, and then I'm gonna film a little TikTok for them. I'm really excited, and I thought I would vlog because I know everyone has their AW fashion out now, and you guys know I love AW fashion. It's gonna be a little cute cozy day, and yeah, that's why I want my vlogs to go back to just being very chill and very cozy. I might get like coffee and then just shop. I love shopping by myself. Obviously I'm doing it for work, but we can look at that other stuff as well. Okay, so I've just got changed. I'm not sure about the white headband, but my blazer, cropped blazer, is from ASOS, from the Collusion brand. These pants are from H&M, I believe, and then I've got my Chloe bag on and just some silver hoops. I think looking at the outfit through a camera, I might take the headband off because it's a bit too much. But yeah, let's go do some autumn/winter shopping. Hi guys, it's a while later. I finished all my shopping. I literally bought like 3 candles. I'm so excited to give you guys a little autumn haul. I didn't get as many clothes pieces as I thought I would. I got everything that I needed for the collab that I'm doing with TikTok, and then I just picked myself up a Greggs coffee. If you're from the UK, you know what this is. I don't know if they have these in other countries or if it's just a UK thing. Greggs is just a very cheap coffee pastry place, and yeah. As you can see, I have 3 big bags, or actually you can't see, but I've got 3 big bags of Primark stuff behind me. I got a vanilla latte, if you're wondering. My go-to coffee order, I really like it. But yeah, I'm gonna drive home now and I'll see you guys in a bit. It's the next day and I have quite a busy day today, and I just thought I would start off by giving you guys a little Primark haul and HomeSense haul to show you what I got yesterday. I'll just back up a bit, but this is the stuff I got for my collab. So if you're interested to see the collection that I worked with them on, definitely go check out my TikTok. I'm gonna film that TikTok and I'm gonna do a little autumn outfit reel / TikTok today as well, so I'm gonna do that after I film this haul. Yeah, so just make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you want to see more autumn fashion content. So we'll start with this bag. I actually didn't get that many clothes. I got a few homey bits. In their home section they had a little Hello Autumn sign, and they had really pretty home bits. You guys know I love decorating my room for autumn. I don't care about any other season, but because autumn's my favorite, I do like sprucing it up. I picked up this lovely throw. It is so beautiful, and I just thought it was a really nice seasonal piece. This was £5, and it's a small ribbed throw. I might either put it on the storage that I have next to my bed here or on my windowsill. I don't think I'm going to decorate my room in this vlog, maybe in the next vlog. Oh my goodness, this is the prettiest candle I've ever gotten. But look how gorgeous that is. It's this lovely orange colour, and it doesn't smell horrible. And I only say that because autumn candles, I normally just don't like the smell. They're way too strong, way too cinnamony. Or like the pumpkin ones, I just don't like how they smell. Yeah, I really love this candle, and once it's finished, I'm gonna put all my jewelry inside it, so I'm really excited about that. And then I got chunky scarves. In America, they have this store called Aritzia, I believe it was. And this scarf was in Aritzia, and everyone and their mum was wearing it last autumn, and I really wanted one, but I couldn't find one here. This is like exactly the same if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna try and find a picture of it, and they were only £8. Got it in another color as well. This is a lot more neutral, and it's got that beautiful, is it called chevron detailing? The diamonds, I don't know what it's called, but it's very preppy. Both £8, so I'm guessing all their scarves are £8. And then of course I picked up fuzzy socks. You can't go to Primark without picking up fuzzy socks. I got some for my sister as well, but I already gave them to her. They're just these white ones with stars on it. I get 2 clothing items. I just picked up a sweater vest. They had so many sweater vest options, but I wanted to go for a more neutral one. Also, what I love about autumn fashion, I feel like there's no micro trends. It's very stagnant, if that makes sense. Every year the same trends are back in fashion. This is stripy oversized sweater vest. Well, it's not oversized, I got it in a size large, so it could be oversized. Yeah, I just love wearing these with shirts underneath. You can wear them with leather pants or jeans or work pants. And I got this cardigan. I love striped jumpers, and I've just never had one. So this is actually a cardigan, but I think I would wear it as a jumper. I love it. It's so cozy as well. Like, it's genuinely so soft. And I got that in a medium. I also love the big brown buttons on it as well. And the last thing I got from Primark was this tote bag. You guys know I love tote bags, but this was on sale. It was half price, and it was £4, and I just thought that was such a good steal. Let's get into what I got from HomeSense. I feel like a lot of HomeSense is more Halloween decorations more than autumn stuff, but if you want autumn decor, definitely check out Primark. HomeSense is always more on the Halloween vibe, and it's a bit spooky in that, I'm not gonna lie. First, this is probably the cutest candle I've ever seen. It's called Apple Honey Butter, and it's a sugar honey cinnamon candle. But look at that, it looks like I went to some cute little farm and I bought this. How adorable. The ribbon, and it has a little leaf on it. This was $7.99, and it smells so good. And then this is called Autumn Morning, and it does smell very fresh. I'd say it has more of like a men's cologne vibe to it. Candle itself is very neutral. I went a bit candle crazy. I have 3 autumn candles, and I'm pretty sure I have some from last year. I hope you enjoyed my little autumn haul. I'm sure I'll be doing more purchasing. I have an ASOS order on its way. I might do a whole separate ASOS haul. But yeah, I am going food. Oh, I'm gonna quickly film those reels and then send them off to get approved, and then we're going to Aldi because I'm making dinner. I'm making a really easy like pasta bake, so I'll show you the recipe. I actually got it off HelloFresh. I think I'm gonna start Indian matchmaker with my mum today. I've heard loads of reviews about it. Tell me in the comments if you've watched it. Also, tell me if you watched Never Have I Ever, because I always used to just look at that show and be like, that is not for me, like there's no way I'm gonna enjoy that. And then season 3 came out and everyone was going on about it, so I was like, let me just see what this show is about. And I finished it in like 4 days. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, I finished that now, and I'm forcing myself to watch Gilmore Girls, and it's the most slow-paced show, but everyone tells me I'll enjoy it because I like shows like that, but I really like, it's just so slow. So far I've just had it on as background noise, and yeah, I think I'll continue using it for background noise. So I've just got all my ingredients prepped and ready here. Well, I've washed them. I'm gonna chop them now. I've got the little recipe card from HelloFresh. It's a really easy recipe, but when you order off HelloFresh, you get these little recipe cards and obviously the ingredients, but I'm reusing this. If you can hear that noise in the background, I'm watching Gilmore Girls. I'm really excited to cook and just watch a show in the background. Hi guys, so I've just been sat here editing this vlog, and honestly there's a whole chunk of the vlog that I just hated. I was kind of contemplating like, oh, the vlog will be like a good 20 minutes if this part is in, and then I just decided I'd rather have like quality over quantity. So this vlog is going to be a lot shorter than my normal vlogs. It will probably be like 10 minutes long, but yeah, I take my vlogs really seriously and I just don't want content that I'm not happy with out there, you know? So yeah, this vlog is a bit on the shorter side and I'm sorry about that, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys want to see from like the autumn vlog, and if there's anything I should bake, because I know I want to make cinnamon rolls in the next vlog, because I've literally been saying I want to make them since lockdown, which was like 2 years ago now, and I still haven't. So definitely that's going to be in the next vlog. If there's anything else you guys want to see, this channel is for you guys at the end of the day, so let me know. I think the next video will be an autumn winter haul. I've been collecting things. This jumper is one of the things that I got as well. I posted this in an Instagram post recently and you guys really liked it. I've been collecting clothes like crazy and I'm so excited to show you guys them in the next haul. I'm just waiting on one more ASOS package and then I will film the haul. But yeah, this jumper will definitely be featured. I'm loving it. I've worn it so many times. I'm just wearing it with the joggers right now. And then these two coats as well that I've just hung up. But for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna finish off editing this vlog, and then I think Shuffa's coming over in the evening. We're just gonna like watch a movie and chill. But yeah, I think that's the end of this vlog. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't and comment down below what you guys want to see from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!